So I know a lot of you are interested in the new Oura Ring Gen 4, or simply called the Oura Ring 4, as we have here in that new stealth colorway that we really like. I do want to let you guys know something I forgot in our prior video, and that is how important the sizing kit is this year for the actual ring. So in years past, it was just equally as important, but with the new sensors being not sticking out and not protruding from the ring, they are now flush, and this does cause a sizing change. So while you might have been an 11 before, you might be a smaller size, or you might look to rotate fingers and need to increase your size of the ring like we did. With Gen 3, we actually had an 11, and that was being worn on our index finger on the right hand, which is our dominant hand, and they tell you you should be wearing it on your non-dominant hand. So we moved it over to our left hand this year, as you can see, and this caused us to need to size up to a size 12. In addition to those sensors being flat, like I said, there's a lot of reasons you might want to pick this up. Let's take a quick look at it so you know how to size your ring. I'll throw those affiliate links up down below. I greatly appreciate it if you use them. It helps the channel, it helps us still keep purchasing things like this to review for you guys. Let's go. So before you pick up this, you're going to want this kit that we were showing you. Anywhere you order it, whether it's from Amazon, Best Buy, or Oura themselves, it costs $10, but they give you a $10 credit towards the actual purchase, with Best Buy being the exception that they just give you a $10 generic Best Buy gift card. I'll throw that link up down below specifically for the sizing kit if you choose to use that also. But again, I do recommend using this before you purchase your ring. And obviously, as you can see, size does matter. Size 12 is listed on the top of this one for the one that we purchased. Now, if you're familiar with these kits shouldn't be anything new or a surprise, but they do look a little different from last year's. So what you're going to do, you're going to want to open these up and actually check out which one of all these plastic rings is going to be the size for you. And this year they have increased and decreased some smaller and larger sizes for those that might need it. So now you start with a size 4 all the way to a size 15. Like I said, to give you an idea, this right here is that new stealth colorway and is a size 12. Last year, we had a size 11, again, on this finger. So we basically just went through the gauntlet, picked one up, and just started sliding them on to see what really felt right. So again, we started with an 11, since that's what we had last year, to see how that works. And as you guys probably can see there, I can't even close my finger. It is so much tighter. Whereas this side, it's perfectly fine. So there is some playing around, trying to figure out what size is going to work best for you. And that's how we ended up settling basically on a size 12, which fits perfectly and is equally comfortable. And again, not a surprise, but it matches up and aligns perfectly with the size 12 that we actually bought. So sizing kit's very easy. Again, $10 is what they charge to send this to you. However, it's not a big deal because if you do choose to buy the ring, that will go towards your purchase price. So again, you do now have those larger sizes, size 15 if you so choose, if you like to wear it maybe on your thumb or something different. They do say, again, you want a snug fit. You want it to fit good and not really be able to easily slide off. And this is going to be the best option to use, again, for your non-dominant hand. If you're a lefty, you'll want it on your right hand, righty on your left hand, and this will help size it out. Again, I can't express enough the difference it makes here with those flush sensors as compared to last year's Gen 3. And I will actually grab that for you really quick and show you just how different it is. So right off the bat, you can see those 3 sensors protruding from under the ring and just how you can see the difference that could cause. So again, short, quick video for you guys today. Let me know what you think. If you grab one, did you need the sizing kit, or how did it match up to your prior generation's ring? Once you do the sizing, you can obviously order these straight off the bat, walk into Best Buy if you choose, they do all sell them, and pick up your new Gen 4 Oura ring. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.